Is your electric fireplace on, but not giving off any heat? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through some quick and easy steps to troubleshoot and fix an electric fireplace with no heat. First things first, check the power source. Make sure your fireplace is plugged in securely and that the outlet is functioning. If there's no power, try resetting the breaker or testing a different outlet. Next, check the thermostat settings. Sometimes the heat function won't work if the temperature is set too low. Adjust the thermostat and wait a few minutes to see if the heat kicks in. If the power and thermostat are fine, check the heater switch. Ensure it's turned on and that the fan is running. If the switch doesn't respond, it could indicate a problem with the control board. Blocked airflow could also cause the fireplace to not heat properly. Inspect the air vents and remove any dust, debris, or blockages to ensure proper ventilation. Finally, if the fireplace still isn't heating, the heating element may be damaged. This requires removing the access panel and inspecting the element for signs of wear or failure. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it or contact a professional. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix most issues with an electric fireplace that's not producing heat. If the problem persists, it might be time to call in an expert. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and solutions.